Hi guys, today I want to dive into more specific question to show you how to understand Midjourney. You can see different styles and someone like probably make a book, yeah? It's really interesting. It's really interesting because we can like, it's like to look to some art studio, you know? Here you can see some web designer, someone make a joke. It's funny. Guys, they take Dua Lipa. It's someone who, and also like if you don't have imagination, yeah, you just can scrolling down and to see how other people make the art, and also like everything already here, just insane, yeah. And for example, yeah, you're probably waiting this. It's copy pasted, yeah. So easy, copy. Also, I already have chat only with myself because I don't want to that someone see what I'm doing. Okay, what we do? We made slash. Blending also amazing. For example, the work with Dua Lipa was made by blending. Okay, so fast. No, okay, it's 0. It's not so fast. 31. You can see, yeah, how it's work. 31%, 62%. Also, I know that if you would like to pay, you will get more good result, more faster, and quality could be more good. Why? You see? Actually, our version much more better than his. Wow. Wow, you can imagine. And also, you know, yes, it's U1, it's U2, it's U3, it's U4. If you want to receive more high quality, you just press this button, like if you, for example, like this, and it's give you more high quality picture. I did today blending. I put this link of Wednesday Adams, this link of SpongeBob, and what we get here, yeah, we get here. I even scary to read it. I really like it. Okay, guys, I want to show you Prompt Hero. It's website where you can just pick the picture what you like and to take a look about and take a look to prompt. For example, you here have to choose where you work. Stable diffusion, for example, yeah, we click. Now we work in Midjourney, yeah, but for example, you like this amazing card, yeah, you like it, and here you can see everything, how author uses which word, which keyword he used, and after copy paste and also verify profile. It's so funny. It's like in Tinder, you know, like when someone texts you like, oh, you're famous, you're celebrity, but you just put your number phone, and it's not like in social media, you know, like it just verify that you're okay, you're a real person. Okay, let's back. What we have to do now, Dali, for example, yeah. Actually, before, when I hear about artificial intelligence in art, I was sure that Dali is amazing, and I applied to wait list 3 times. They ignore me. It was 1 year ago, but it's still okay. But for me, I like tools more from Midjourney, for example, or Stable Diffusion. Here, like for example, Chat GPT prompt, you can find everything, whatever you want. Personal trainer, you just can click and take a look. What is that? Okay, let's back to Midjourney. For example, I really like this one and this. Okay, let's click. Here you can see everything what we need. We just copy, and also, you know, you can find a lot of small explanation, small tools how to get exactly picture what you need. Here he asked to fix it for special size. Okay, let's back. Let's okay, I really like this picture. Let's copy it as well. Let's go to Discord. Okay, here we go. We already get to get some African girl. Wow, she's so amazing, but it's different one, you see? Like we made absolutely copy paste of this work, but we probably don't know what we will get, yeah? This one, you know? You see how different this work? It means that like we can do whatever we want. Woman, guys, it's real woman. Real. Wow. It's human, guys. It's human. How it could be. How it could be. Look at it. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. It's wow. It's really insane. Okay, let's back to our guy. Okay, I remind you what we did before, yeah? We just go to website, prompt hero, copy paste this prompt, exactly this prompt. Like we didn't create anything. After we just edit everything here the same. He give us some examples. We choose last one. And now what we get? What we have? It's amazing. It's really amazing. You can use it for games. You can use it for play cards. I don't know, like table game, whatever. Okay, you can see how crazy and easy it could be. I wish you good luck. Please write down me any thoughts, what you're thinking about. Like you. Bye. See you.